Hello everyone. I'm moving out of my flat in a few weeks, which means that I have quite a lot of work to do on my balcony as well. I mean, it's quite a shame because it looks quite cozy at the moment, with a deck chair in the back and all the plants around it, so it really filled up quite nicely. But yeah, I have to give some plants to family members and friends, so hopefully they can plant the perennials, for example, in their garden. But I also have some annuals that I need to throw away, I think. So I will just show you a little bit what I have on my balcony, what I have to do, and then in the next weeks I will take you on a tour on how I plant some of the plants in my mother's and my aunt's garden. So I have this clematis that I definitely want to save, so I will give this to family members. I have a lupin, another perennial that I can use. Then I just have, like, I think those are mostly annuals. I have a yellow dahlia, tomato plants, and osteospermum, so I can get rid of these. Then I have these very nice heucheras. Definitely want to save these. Yeah, I planted quite a few snapdragons from seed that I can get rid of. Those are annuals in my region as well. Nice grass, maybe my family wants this as well. The Dusty Miller is also winter hardy. I might also save this clematis here. That's a darker purple clematis, which is also really beautiful. Here, I mean, I have dahlias, tomato plants that are probably not going to survive the winter, snapdragons, so I can get rid of those. Then here in this section, I have my heuchera. I think that's my favorite heuchera on my balcony. I just love the texture. Oh, it's so beautiful. Another clematis, the president, that I want to save, and another lupin over there. Then I have a grass that didn't do very well, and osteospermum can get rid of these. Oh, but definitely want to keep this this heuchera. And I have 3 Livisia cotyledons here. I think this one even has a very big baby. So I have 4 Livisia cotyledon plants that I can pass on to family members. And then finally, I have these 2 heucheras that blend in so nicely. And yeah, I will also take them. I will also save these 2 and take them to my mother's garden. Phew. I'm done. I'm done with my move. All the plants from my balcony that I want to keep, the perennials especially, I kept, and now they are at my mother's and my aunt's place. And all the annuals, the plants that didn't look as nice anymore, I tossed. And yeah, now in the next couple of days, I will plant some of these perennials in my mother's garden. So I'm quite excited about that. So here are some of the plants, the heucheras, the sempervivums, the clematis, and yeah, we have a panacetum here and a panacetum over there. Some of the pots from my move, the chairs from my move. And yeah, I also have like lupins I hope they're gonna make it. They had powdery mildew, and I removed all the leaves that were full of the fungus. Yeah, so I mean, pretty excited what they look like. My mother already planted a clematis over here. Oh, Levisia cotyledons. And this is one of my clematis for my balcony, and my mother planted it here next to the iron pole. So hopefully it is going to climb up this pole in the next couple of years. Pretty excited about this. Yeah, so I hope you're ready for me posting a lot of planting videos from pots into the ground. So see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.